Given how bad 2020 was, I'm sure a lot of us are taking our health more seriously and wish to be more active in 2021. And it's about the right time for OnePlus to launch its first fitness band, conveniently called the OnePlus Band. Now, its highlight feature is SpO2 tracking. But how is this band and will it help with your New Year resolutions? Well, stay with me right till the end of this video to find out. Hello everyone, I'm Aditya Shenoy, you're watching Gadgets 360 and this is the full review of the OnePlus Band. And if you're new here, be sure you are subscribed to the Gadgets 360 YouTube channel so that you don't miss such reviews. The OnePlus Band, like most fitness bands, has two components, a strap and a capsule. You can easily pop the capsule into and out of the strap. The strap material isn't harsh on the skin and I did not face any discomfort during a week of use. The OnePlus Band is IP68 certified for dust and water resistance and can handle up to 5 atm of pressure, so you can wear it while swimming. On the underside of the capsule are pins for charging and sensors for heart rate and SpO2 tracking. You will have to remove the capsule from the OnePlus Band for charging, which could be inconvenient for some people. This capsule fits snugly in the including proprietary charger with an audible click. OnePlus did not have an app for iOS when I was testing the band. The company has mentioned that it will be launching one soon. The OnePlus Health App will give you detailed information about your steps, heart rate, SpO2 levels, and sleep with this app. Certain settings such as the frequency of heart rate and SpO2 measurement can be configured only through this app. The OnePlus Band works as a notifier to show notifications from your smartphone. You can select which apps can send notifications via the smartphone app for this product. You can read incoming messages, but it isn't convenient to read on the small display. It also buzzes to notify you of incoming calls, but I could only silence the band or reject these incoming calls from the band itself. The OnePlus Band has a 1.1-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 126 by 294 pixels. This band can store up to 5 watch faces at a time, which you can then choose by swiping on the home screen. There are more that you can download through the OnePlus Health app. Now I use the OnePlus Band regularly for a week to monitor how it performs, and I found that its interface was very easy to use. It offers multiple workout modes, most of which are commonly used, such as outdoor walking, cycling, running, cricket, badminton, and swimming. I found the SpO2 tracking to be accurate, and I measured it at least once a day. The reading was usually 99 to 100%, which it should be for a healthy individual, and the readings were in line with what I got from the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus heart rate sensor. I found heart rate tracking to be in the same range as that was reported on the Apple Watch SE that I tested this against. Continuous heart rate tracking is disabled by default, just like on a lot of other fitness products. So I set this to continuous heart tracking for 2-minute intervals. You can also choose to set it to take readings at 6-minute intervals or even every second, which is likely to drain the battery very quickly. Step tracking was a bit off on the OnePlus Band. Now it measured 910 steps for every 1000 steps that I counted manually. This is a big margin, so if you are looking to keep track of your activity levels, this device isn't as accurate as the Xiaomi Mi Band 5. Similarly, distance tracking was inaccurate, but that's probably because the OnePlus Band doesn't have integrated GPS. I took 5 laps of a 700-meter walking track and the band measured 3.17 kilometers, even though the distance covered was actually 3.5 kilometers. Sleep tracking with the OnePlus Band was accurate, and it could also detect periods of wakefulness accurately during the night. Using the OnePlus Health app, I could see the breakup of sleep stages, marked as light, deep, and awake. Now, battery life will vary vastly depending on how you set up your OnePlus Band. I had set my screen brightness to 60% and had notifications enabled for WhatsApp and Slack, which kept the band buzzing throughout the day. And after 4 days of usage, which included tracking my walks daily, the battery level was down to 40%. The OnePlus Band is among the very few fitness bands in the market to offer SpO2 tracking. If you are looking for a wearable specifically to track this, the OnePlus Band does it quite well. I also found it to be good at sleep and heart rate tracking, but not so much when it comes to step and distance tracking. For those on iOS, you might have to wait a little longer for this. If you are looking for a fitness band primarily to track the number of steps you've taken and the distance you've covered, then the Mi Band 5 will do that better at roughly the same price. So that was my full review of the OnePlus Band. Now what do you think about this? Let me know that in the comments down below. And as always, for all things tech, stay tuned to gadgets360.com.